This is kind of the drummer that failed the audition. This guy nailed it. Today I want to show you how to make MINDst drums play like your favorite drummer. You can kind of imagine like you're talking to a drummer, so you might say something like, hey, don't play so loud. The first thing I want to do is select a snare zone. What I think is one of the coolest features, which is the alternate hands mode. One hand, two hands. I can split the velocity range between tip and shank articulations.